Hello students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today we are going to discuss class 8th topic comparing quantities. In the previous videos also we have discussed some of the questions related to it, but now we are doing questions based on sales tax, VAT, GST. Suppose a question is given to you. We are going to buy a TV set from the shop. So the price of TV set is given as rupees 13,000 and they are charging a certain amount of sale tax on it. So amount of sale tax charge is 7%, right? This is not the amount, sorry, this is the rate of sale tax charge. It is in percentage. So rate of sale tax charge is given to you. You have given the price of TV set rupees 13,000 and the rate of sale tax charge on it is 7%. We have to find out that what is the amount paid for TV set after calculating the sale tax. So whenever we go to the market, suppose the price of TV set is mentioned, there is a tag written and the price is mentioned as 13,000 and the shopkeeper tells that amount of 7% is charged on it. So what we do, we take out the 7% tax on the original amount and then we add that amount in this original price and then we pay the amount which we get from adding the sale tax. So what we will do, first we take out this 7% tax on this original amount. So tax amount is 7% of the original amount, right? So 7% means 7 by 100, of means multiply 13,000. These two zeros cancel out with these two zeros. 13 sevens are 91 and the 0. So rupees 910 is the amount of tax which we get on this original amount. So what is the amount that we have to pay for the TV set? The original price plus the tax amount. So what is the original price? 13,000. What is the tax amount? 910. So rupees 13910 we have to pay for the TV set which we are going to buy from the market. Now the next question is, always keep this thing in mind that whatever tax is given to you, you have to take out that tax and add in the original price, and whatever discount is given to you, you have to find that discount and deduct from the original price, because discount is what we get a reduction on the original price and the tax is we have to add that on the original price. So the next question is, a TV set was brought for rupees 26,250, including which has been included in it. So we have to find out the price by deducting the VAT from it, because VAT is already added in this amount. Okay, so we don't know what is the original price. So let the original price be X. Because we don't know the original price of TV set, so let the original price be X. And you know the tax is always deducted on the original price. It is always calculated on the original price. So the tax amount is 5% of original price. What is 5%? 5 by 100 of means multiply x. So this comes out to be 5x by 100. We know that the original price plus the tax amount is equal to this price, because this price is including the tax amount in the original price, right? So we know original price plus tax amount is equals to 26250, because they already said that this amount is including the VAT, right? So this is the original price, this is the tax amount, and this is the amount which we get after adding the tax. Now take the LCM. If we don't have anything in the denominator, we put 1. So 1 multiplied by 100 gives 100. So x is also multiplied by 100. Similarly, 100 multiplied by 1 gives 100. So 5x is multiplied by 1 gives 5x. 25250. 100x plus 5x, 105x divided by 100 is equals to 26250. Now cancel out with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So this comes out to be 21x divided by 20 is equals to 26250. This denominator, when changes its sides, it becomes the numerator on the other side, and this numerator, when changes the side, becomes the denominator on the other side. So this comes out to be x equals to 26250 multiplied by 20 divided by 21. Cut it on 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 22. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. 0. Now cut it on 7. 7 1s are 7. 17 is remaining. 7 2s are 14. 7 5s are 35. 0. This comes out to be 0 0 0 25,000. So the final answer that comes out to be is rupees 25,000. So that means the value of x, that is the original price, is 25,000 rupees, right? So in this way, you can calculate a number of questions based on GST and VAT. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.